So I'm pleased to announce that ClearSharp has been put back in the queue menu under Operations right here. In addition to that, if we press F9, you can see that ClearSharp also has an option for Clear Custom Data, which will remove any custom normal data that's on an object in the event that you have to do it, as well as great care was taken to ensure that if you have multiple objects selected, you can remove custom data from all of them in the event that you're having to import something and remove a bunch of custom data at the same time. So before demonstrating this thing, what I'll do is smart apply, and then we will just run sharpen, which will mark all the angled edges for us. So if we go here under clear sharps, we can see that everything's been unsharp, but the modifiers remain untouched. However, if we wanted to take it a step further, we can also apply the weighted normals and press Alt N and rotate our normals. In fact, let's sharpen it again. Alt N, rotate our normals. For some reason, it's just not going to let me. There we go. Now they're rotating. I don't know why I'm having to mess this up intentionally just to show a point, but case in point is you can now press Q, go under clear sharps, and this is what you'll get if you clear your sharps without clearing the custom data. When you click on clear custom data, now you have a neutral mesh right as grain for you to mess with. So with that, we are done.